Welcome to the NIH Library's tutorial series on data management and sharing. This data management and planning templates is part 3 in the series and will introduce templates for both intramural and extramural researchers, NIH resources, frequently asked questions, a library guide, and a list of data management contacts for each IC. In the first 2 tutorials, we covered the fundamentals of data management and the NIH policy for data management. The links to those tutorials are in the video description. Let's get started. For extramural researchers, we introduced the DMP-T tool and DMP Online. It was in the video too. You also have the option of using this NIH Microsoft Word template. A link to this template is in the video description. For intramural researchers, there is a different template available that is based on the DMP tool, and it includes sample answers. These are provided as examples only, and it is optional for investigators to use this language. This template can be used to draft an intramural plan, but you don't submit this form. The information is supposed to be entered as text into the NIH Intramural Database Resources, or NIDB. This is an NIDB, NIH Intramural Database, where the intramural plans are submitted. A link to this site is in the video description. In the NIH Office of Intramural Research Sourcebook, you can find more information about the policy, including data standards, what data needs to be shared, and when the data need to be shared. On the NIH Scientific Data Sharing site, you can find Frequently Asked Questions page. This site also includes information on how to write a data management plan with links to a few sample plans. The NIH Library also provides a guide on data management and sharing plan resources. This guide is available for NIH-only users and requires you to be on campus or VPN to access it. In this guide, you will find additional video tutorials, samples, and supplementary file submission information. The guide also points to the list of data management and sharing plan points of contact, intramural and extramural, for all ICs. Thank you for watching this video in the Data Management and Planning series. If you have questions about your data management plan, please watch the other videos in this series or go to the NIHlibrary.nih.gov and contact a librarian for help by clicking on Get Help and then ask a question. Good luck with your data management planning.
This content was created by the NIH Library. Thank you for watching.